Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. So many people email me about why would I choose a Marathon. This morning, I'm going to show you several reasons why Marathon is the choice for you. So here at Marathon, we have so many reasons that I can show you why you would choose a Marathon coach. At our world headquarters, we have all of these marketing photos of all of the coaches we've built over the 40 plus years, showing you all these examples of what we do inside the coaches and on the exterior. And speaking of on the inside of the coach, how about this? This is the Upholstery Center, or what some people call the Sofa Palace, because we can let the sofas and the chairs out and build them right here. And as you can see, Jeff is down there building a sofa. This is where everything gets laid out and gets set up for building some of the upholstery pieces that go inside our coaches. And as you can see, Jeff, who's wearing his service shirt, is over here working on a sofa. It's actually a sofa repair. You can do repairs and brand new sofas right here in the Sofa Palace. Also, one of the things that Marathon does really well is source some of the best materials all over the world. This is actually Italian leather from Italy. And we lay it out and make sure that each one is consistent so that the coach leather looks all the same. They all need to have the same grain, same color, so that they don't look different when you build the coach. And here I am in the hallway outside engineering. One of the things that Marathon does really well is we engineer coaches properly. There's so many engineers on staff here that I'm just going to walk you through the room. Here in our engineering department, everything from audio visual to electrical to plumbing, everything gets designed in here, and very innovative things happen in the engineering room. And as important as engineering is, how about design? Let's actually walk through the conference room here and into the design suite. One of the things that Marathon does well is takes the time to get the coach right for you, the customer. So many decisions are made in these two rooms. The design suite is exactly set up for that, designing your coach. Take a look at this. Oh, look at this, right in front of us. We've got a future coach being built right here. These are some designs that are set up for a customer that's actually here at the mothership today. And so many of these items are going to be looked at and decided if they work for him or if they don't. Take a look in here. Good morning. Jamie's busy working on coaches. And as you can see, so many different things can creatively get spread out here. Oh, here's another coach right here. Take a look at this. Right here. And what they do is they build kind of the color board right here, decide and come back to it. Does this work with this? Does that work? Oh, I remember this. Let's do that. Different things can happen. This is another reason why you would choose Marathon, because we take the time to really cultivate all of the proper colors for your coach. So we saw the Sofa Palace. How about the Upholstery Center? And I even have what looks like a Muppet for Coach 1420. It's very pretty and soft though. We are in the Upholstery Center here at the World Headquarters. So much happens in here. Custom built coaches need really good and well built upholstery, and it happens right here. Let's take a look over here. Okay, let's take a look at this. How beautiful is this? This is actually the pilot seat of one of our upcoming coaches. It's got the Marathon logo right there embroidered in the headrest. What a beautiful, I love this leather. It's kind of like a distressed leather. Wow, that's pretty. And then look at this recliner. This is for Coach 1409. That is nice. We saw that leather laid out over in the Upholstery Center, over in the Sofa Palace. And now, here it is actually on a chair. Very, very nice. And that's the Upholstery Center. How about our service departments from Florida, Texas to Oregon? Take a look out here. Look at how many coaches are here for service. From upgrades to service to repairs, everything happens here in our service department. And this is a really nice lounge that we're standing in for owners who can come and hang out while their coach is being worked on. Everything from Wi-Fi to television. We have a whole lounge set up here above where you can see what's going on in our service center. You can look over the coaches. It's really nice, and that's one of the reasons why you should choose Marathon. All right, another reason why you should choose Marathon, the good coffee. No, I don't need that this morning. Anyway, let's head on over here. Popular upgrades. This is something that happens in our service departments. If you're looking to change your flooring, your lighting, your upholstery, how about the solid surfaces, or just get some repairs done to your coach? Make that appointment. Come on into Marathon, whether it be Florida, Texas, or Oregon. Make that appointment. How about some new floors? Those decisions can be made right here in our service department. Yeah, the shipping and receiving department. Another reason why Marathon is the coach for you. There's so much going on in shipping and receiving. How about a new windshield? Look at that, just showed up. Let's go check out the parts department, because shipping and receiving and parts, they run together. Another reason to pick Marathon is the parts department. Support is very important when you own a coach. You need to know that you can get a part. How about this right here? I don't even know what this is, but this valve right here, if you need this, we have it. From small parts like that to big parts, take a look at the size of this parts department in Oregon. We've got parts departments in Florida and Texas also, but so much is going on in this area to support our coaches throughout the United States. Another reason why you should choose Marathon, take a look what's happening inside this coach. This is coach 1413 in production right now, but you know what? Every coach that we build here, so much time and effort comes into it, and that's why Marathon is known for its fit and finish. Marathon has everything covered. We've already been to the engineering department. We've already been in and shown you what happens in upholstery. Some of the cabinetry in these coaches is absolutely world best quality. Take a look at this. The quality that goes into these coaches, the chassis is designed to go for decades. So the house that we build needs to mirror that. It needs to last for decades, and Marathon has a history of doing that extremely well. Another reason why you would choose Marathon is the super bath. One of the most innovative things we've ever done in a coach is put the super bath in the back of a quad slide or a triple slide coach. Take a look at what's going on here. You've got everything from a very large shower. Of course, this coach is in production, so it's not completed, but you've got the shower. You're gonna have double glass walls here that go opaque and clear with the push of a button. That's liquid crystal technology. Double vanity here, storage above and below, and an amazing big closet back there. Just when you think that's enough, you've got a commode right here with another closet or washer dryer on the other side of this wall. So much is going on in the super bath. And since we're back here and it's revealed, take a look at the aircraft quality of our wiring. Our wiring is something that looks like an organized Jackson Pollock. I mean, this is amazing stuff. One of the things that I like to do is show people, when I'm showing people a coach, take a look at this. So much goes into this. There's so much organization. Everything has its own proper place, and we are well above the industry when it comes to our wiring. Everything has to have its proper place, and Marathon does it very well. Another reason why you would choose Marathon, this facility alone. Here in Coburg, Oregon, which is kind of right in the middle of the state of Oregon, this facility is such a blessing to our company. We have a very nice climate-controlled building that we build these beautiful coaches in. Take a look at this. Right now, there's about 9 or 10 coaches in production, and having this building is such a blessing to our company and to our owners. We build these amazing coaches inside a really nice closed facility. It's really nice. Everything from paint to the end of production happens in this building. All right, another thing that always stands out on why you should choose Marathon, very simply put, the style of our drawers. I absolutely love this, and if you know Marathon Mondays, I love showing our drawers and our cabinets in our coaches. Built to last and built from an amazing style. Take a look at that right there. Great style. It's got the Marathon logo embossed on the inside of every one, and each one is lined right here. It is just so nice, and it comes, as you can see, in different colors. Take a look at this color. Marathon takes the time to build and source really nice drawers that go into our coaches. Another reason why you should choose Marathon is that we take the time in our cabinet shop, we take the time to grain match. We use laminates. Those laminates provide so many colors. Take a look at all these colors. These laminates provide so many colors and options for our owners. If you want to go gray, you can go gray. If you want to go taupe, you can go taupe. If you want to go brown, you can go brown. Look at all of these colors that are available. These are just some of the current laminates that we're using. Also, when you wrap a piece of cabinet with laminate, it adds structural integrity to that piece. Take a look at this right here. This is such a pretty piece. And this is one of the things that takes a long time in our build process, but it's very, very important to match this piece to this piece and grain match all the way through. You see this grain right here? Continues through. Isn't that nice? That's one of the most important things when using laminate in our cabinet shop, is to make sure that the pieces look consistent, and Marathon does an amazing job at that. Another reason to choose Marathon, in this world headquarters we have 4 60-foot paint booths, and as you can see from right next to me, we've got a coach in paint. There's so much going on in our paint department. Let's go take a look. There's so much to see in our paint department, but right now what I want to show you, take a look at the coach behind me and right in front of us. One that's just getting completed and another one that's prepped and ready to go in. I tell you what, having 4 60-foot paint booths down in our paint department here at our world headquarters, like I've said before, it's a blessing to have it all done in one building. And that's another reason why you should choose Marathon. All right, we were just down in the paint department, and I love coming in here on a Monday morning and seeing all these paint jobs. There's so much going on every Monday morning, but take a look at all of these coaches, you guys. From coaches from the 90s to coaches from brand new coaches are out here. There's a lot of different things happening in our service department every Monday. Make those appointments, don't forget that. But the thing that really stands out is some of these beautiful paint jobs, and I want to show you one of those right now. Here's another reason why you should choose Marathon. Take a look at the beautiful paint job on 1393. This is a triple slide Marathon that delivered about a year ago. This is a beautiful paint job, and I really love how seeing it in the sun, it really stands out. Let's take a look at some of the elements in this paint job. When we built this coach, I really love taking a look at how the black fades into the red and back to the black. But another thing that really stood out was the texturing that happens with the fade, black to red to black, but the texturing in it. And that's just one part of this coach. Take a look at just on the back side of this coach, what we did. Really cool graphic back here. And I like how we've got the chrome Prevost letters that are inset inside the embossed Prevost. It's really, really pretty. This coach really stands out. It's a little dirty right now because it just arrived to our service center, but after it leaves, we wash every coach prior to the owner coming and picking it up. So this is one of my favorite paint jobs that we've done over the last couple of years. All right, and here we are in the World Headquarters boutique where you can get your polo shirts and your jackets. You know, at the end of the day, there's really one reason why you should choose Marathon. We are the largest and best converter of the Prevost chassis, and I'm going to show you that right now. We're going to go into a brand new Marathon that just got completed on our production floor, and that's how we're going to wrap up today's video, is I'm going to show you this coach right here. This is why you should pick Marathon, because we are the best converter of the Prevost chassis. Our fit and finish is amazing. Our engineering and everything that goes into a coach. It takes time to build these coaches. Let's take a look inside. And here we are inside beautiful coach 1408. This is a beautiful double slide H3 with bath and a half and bunks in the midship of the coach. This is a really nice coach, and this is a good example of why you should choose Marathon. From the fit and finish, we saw the upholstery, we saw the engineering, we saw the wiring. Throughout this video, I've shown you many examples, but at the end of the day and at the end of the video, coming into a coach and experiencing what Marathon does here in Coburg, Oregon, building these amazing coaches on the Prevost chassis, that's why you should pick Marathon Coach.